I'm sure you have seen the option that some people add their email contact on their Instagram profiles. In this video, I want to show you how you can do it too. The first thing you need to know about adding your email address to your profile is that your profile must be professional. So once you make your account professional, you're going to tap on Edit Profile, and if you swipe down, you're going to see this option that says Contact Options. You want to tap on that. And here you can add your business email, you can add your business phone number, or even WhatsApp business phone number, whatever you want. Let's say this is my email address, and then I'm going to go ahead and tap on Save. There's still one more thing that you need to do. This option, it says Profile Display. So if you tap on that, it says Display Category Label. For example, if your professional account is related to the category of an artist or a blogger or a writer or whatever, here by toggling this on, you can make sure that it shows whether you are an artist or writer or whatever or not if you toggle it off. But this is not related to what we're discussing today. This one is important. Display contact info. So you want to make sure this is turned on, because if this is turned off, nobody will be able to see your contact info because it will not be displayed. So once you do this, you want to tap on Done. And you want to go back. And as you can see down here, I have Edit Profile, Share Profile, and Email. So once I tap on that, it will show my email to everyone, and it will even show the screen that you can edit the email that you want to send. You can add a subject or CC, BCC, whatever you like, and you can even type the email that you want to send them, and at the end, you can send it to them. So I'm going to just delete draft, and this is it. Hope this helps, and leave me a comment if you have any more questions regarding adding an email address to your profile.